AI modeling using the same neuron formula across ERP domains. Welcome, learners. In this animated Sankey diagram video titled Same Neuron Formula Across ERP Modules, modeled by Pradeep K. Suri, we dive into a powerful AI concept, how a single neuron formula mathematically consistent adapts seamlessly across diverse ERP domains such as sales, inventory, finance, HR, healthcare, education, and more. Brain key teaching points. One single formula, many domains. The heart of the animation is a neural formula. Y equals sigma, W1x1 plus W2x2 plus WNXN, Y equals \sigma, W underscore 1x underscore 1 plus W underscore 2x underscore 2 plus W underscore NX underscore N, Y equals sigma, W1x1 plus W2x2 plus WNXN. This is the same neuron logic reused across sales rightward arrow for forecasting conversion, inventory rightward arrow for reorder decisions, HR rightward arrow for attrition risk, healthcare rightward arrow for diagnosis prediction. Each domain plugs different input features, X, into the same formula. That's the brilliance of reusability in deep learning. 2 input rightward arrow formula rightward arrow output flow. The animation clearly shows domain input, X such as customer history, machine uptime, patient vitals, etc. Formula engine, AI model like logistic regression, ReLU, or softmax-based neural nets. Predicted output, Y insights like EDA, fraud risk, service quality, or learning gap. The Sankey flow demonstrates this pipeline in a visually intuitive way. 3 Python library and math. Each ERP domain also connects to libraries, example Keras, scikit-learn, scBoost, tools used to build models. Formula type, example N, GBDT, softmax classifier. Branch of math, example statistics, time series, calculus. This helps learners understand what technical stack supports which business goal. Mentor guidance for learners. Think like a data scientist, notice how your model design remains the same. What changes is the domain context. Focus on feature engineering, domain input X, X2, is what makes or breaks performance. Look for generalization. One neuron logic can fuel solutions in logistics, education, or law if you train it right. Use visualization. Diagrams like this help explain models to management, students, or clients. Learning outcome. At the end of the video, learners will understanding AI modeling is about structure and transferability. Appreciate the power of abstraction in neural networks. Know how to translate a business domain into an ML pipeline using standard tools. Mentors closing note. As AI mentors and developers, our mission is not just to build models, it's to make them understandable, scalable, and applicable across industries. This video shows how one mathematical truth becomes a practical tool in ERP intelligence. Remember, it's not the formula that changes, it's the story behind the data. Pradeep K. Suri.